I'm Séamus and I live with my farmer, Lily.
I'll always be here for...
We do lots of work on the farm. Wow. Can you help me to become a sheepdog?
A sheepdog.
Careful in the wild, Séamus.
I'll be fine. But I like to sneak off for adventures, to meet all sorts of wild animals. Whoa, look at your eye.
Hi, Séamus. Oh no, a dog.
Oh, don't worry, I'm a nice dog. I wonder who I'll meet today. You know, Lily, I really want to be a sheepdog. Where can I train to be one?
Well, Séamus, sheepdogs are usually born as sheepdogs. It's in their blood.
Oh, but there must be a sheepdog school or a sheepdog class that I can go to.
You should ask Roisin to teach you. Roisin!
You looking for me?
Whoa, whoa, she's so fast.
Come on. Hello, Roisin.
Will you teach me how to be a sheepdog?
Sure, just watch me.
Good girl.
Okay, ladies, let's go for a little walk, please.
Okay, Roisin, let's go, everyone.
Wow.
Woohoo! I love running.
That's it, everyone. Now, keep close together.
Whoa.
Mummy, can I race you?
I'm too tired. Race your brother.
Lovely job.
They're doing exactly as she says.
That's enough, ladies. Well done.
Oh, that's made me hungry.
Now, that's how you do it, Séamus. Want to give it a try?
Yeah, Séamus, why don't you have a go? Come by.
Okay, here I go. Okay, sheep, listen up. I'm learning how to be a sheepdog. So I want you all to line up, and then we're going to march to that gate over there. Come on.
Who is he talking to?
I don't know.
Are you talking to us?
Of course I'm talking to you, sheep.
Well, you're very rude.
Oh, I'm starving after all that exercise.
Stop eating now and do what I tell you.
Say
please. Just do what you're told, sheep. Sheepdogs don't need to say please.
Yes, they do. Roisin is very polite.
Séamus, just say please.
Okay then, sorry. Please.
I don't think he really means it. Come on, girls, let's go.
Steady. Whoa, where are you going?
Oh, Séamus, I don't think you're cut out for this.
I am, Lily. It's these guys. They're not listening to me. I'm going to find some different sheep to practice on.
Okay, good luck with that. I've still got work to do, so I'll see you back at the farm. Come on, Roisin. Come on. Come on.
See ya. See ya, sheep.
Hi, Séamus.
Oh, more sheep. Maybe it'll work on these sheep. Bye-bye. No, that wasn't it. Wait, come by.
Who is this guy?
Oh, it's not working. Hey, you're a pretty funny-looking sheep. Did your owner stretch your neck or something?
Hey, who are you calling a funny-looking sheep?
Uh-oh.
We're not sheep, we're llamas.
Oh, wow.
We don't let anyone boss us around.
Oh, and you've got a lamb.
He's not a lamb. A baby llama is called a cria. Aren't you, Larry?
Hiya, Larry. And you sure are lovely and fluffy. I'm Séamus, and I'm training to be a sheepdog.
You don't look like a sheepdog.
Oh,
Why are you over here, sheepdog?
the sheep aren't listening to me.
Yeah, I wouldn't listen to you either.
Sorry, Séamus. Me neither.
I'm starting to think I'll never make it as a sheepdog.
Don't feel sad, Séamus. You can do anything if you practice hard enough.
You know what, Larry? You're right. I just need some more practice.
That's it, Séamus.
Thanks, everyone. It was really nice to meet you all.
Good luck, Séamus.
Hey, what are you two up to?
Race you to the table, Martina.
I want to see. Oh. Hey, who are you?
I'm Ricky, and I'm a pine marten. Who are you?
I'm Séamus. I'm a puppy. do you live here by yourself?
No, he doesn't. I'm his big sister Martina.
Whoa. Hi, Martina.
Move over, Ricky. They're not all for you.
Hey, what are you eating? That looks tasty.
It is tasty. Would you like to try some?
No, thanks. Should you be eating off the table like that?
Don't worry, we won't fall off. This is where we always eat.
So, who puts out all this food?
The people who live here, we have a nest in their attic, and they feed us raisins and nuts.
Ah, cool. So, do you come out of the attic straight away, like when you're a puppy?
Pine martens aren't called puppies. We're called kits.
Kids?
Pine marten babies are kits.
Oh.
Our mum takes care of us for the first few weeks, because we're born really small, blind, and deaf.
Oh, and look, you grew a lovely fur coat and a big bushy tail. It looks all fluffy.
Thanks. I grew it myself.
Whoa, hey, there's another one of you.
Hey, move over, Ricky. Not a chance, Pip.
Aw, poor Pip. Sharing is caring, Ricky.
Okay, Pip, you can have what's left. Hey, you had it all.
Now, time for me to go, but it's been really nice to meet you all.
Bye, Séamus. Hey, watch my tail, Pip.
You guys are too funny. Bye.
Bye, Séamus.
Oh, hiya, Séamus. How did you get on with the sheep?
Oh, well, I practiced with the sheep, but they weren't really listening to me. In fact, they were quite rude.
Oh, well, I'll have to have a word with them, so.
And then I met some funny fellas with long necks called llamas.
Llamas. They have really soft wool.
Yeah, and their babies are called crias. Bet you didn't know that.
I didn't know that. Crias.
And then on the way home from the llamas, I met some baby pine martens, and they're called kits.
Kits. Oh, that's very cute. Just like you.
Oh.
Now, you're going to help me with this hay net. Here, you take this.
Oh.
You just put it in like this. Then you put another one in like this.
Hey, Lily, look. There's a field mouse.
Ah, where?
A
Oh, look behind you, there's a cat.
cat?
Yeah.
No, you tricked me.
Gotcha.
Here's some more hay.